channel. My name is Jennifer Love. So, I have a DIY headband wig for you guys that is cheap and affordable and costs less than $20. So, if you want to see how I got this headband wig, then keep on watching. So, all you need is any old wig you would like to use for that day. And any old shirt. I just showed this blue shirt. It was pretty old. I had it for years. And then this is a sleeve that fell off of my jumpsuit, and it just worked it really good with the headband. I was surprised. Style, just a simple black headband, and I'm gonna do another one. This was a shirt. I just cut it up. It was old and it just DIY style because, first of all, let's talk about how much these headband wigs cost. Literally like $100. I'm not paying $100 for no headband wig, and I know y'all wasn't either. So, and yeah, I was not about to pay $100 for no headband wig that I only can wear like a couple times because I don't even like headbands anyway. But this is the trend, and I wanted to show y'all how y'all can get it at an affordable price and how y'all can DIY and make y'all own without spending all that money, because, yeah. Karen, I'm not paying $200 for a headband wig when I can make it myself, okay? And teach all of my girls how to make it too. So you really don't need much. You can just use your old clothes. That's what I did. I used my old clothes, an old shirt. This headband actually was just laying around my house, and so I just got this. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Also follow me on my Instagram at Jennifer Love to see more pictures and videos of this wig and